Good morning from Grand Turk.
We're in Grand Turk. It's a little windy up here on the deck that we're on, but it's going to be a beautiful day.
We hope.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we're going to get off, actually, and we're going to go down to Jack's Shack. We'll bring that to you.
Yeah.
It's getting blown away.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you down there at Jack's Shack. Welcome to Grand Turk. That bucket of bolts keeps following us around. So yesterday, right outside Club O2, they had all this closed off. They revarnished all these tables and they really do look nice. Nice, no scratches. Nice. Alright, it's Towel Animal Invasion Day over on the Freedom. Let's see if it's Towel Animal Invasion Day over here. Check it out. As you can see, it's Towel Animal Invasion Day on the Mardi Gras as well, with all the little puppies. Wonder who's going to clean up the mess. Not as many as the Freedom. We even got underage towel animals drinking at the bar so early. Guys all look like twins. A lot of towels. A lot of minions. Sad that I knew what those were. What these little guys are, look like rats. We're iguana people getting their breakfast burritos. Where I spend most of my life, in the doghouse. You can post it 1,000,000 times and then they don't care. They're still gonna put their towels on the chairs and leave. People going to party. They won't come back that quiet. That I promise. I think there's a slight difference in size. Freedom versus the Mardi Gras. So it's either fight all these people or go to Jack's Shack and fight more people. goes my baby. He's going down to the water. He's gonna go try that cold water. It's cold. Still cold. Watch. See if that water is cold. We got splashed a few times coming over here. She's probably like, yeah, okay, I've had enough of this. She likes it like 90 degrees.
I need some water.
Here comes my baby. That didn't last long. A little cold. A little cold, love?
No, it feels so good.
Alright, so this is Jack's Shack. Service not so great, but a fun place to hang out. Service, again, a little slow. I waited 20 minutes to get a beer. What's your favorite channel? Party of Two Cruises! Alright, so here we are in Grand Turk. This is the port, some of it, as we're heading back to the ship. Poor little baby, she didn't even drink anything or nothing. Poor little thing. Alright, so here's the store that make you go through it before you get back. Get your liquor, and jewelry, all tax-free and duty-free. I'm not sure what the difference is between tax-free and duty-free. Someone explain that to me down in the comments below. To me, it's all the same. And there's our baby right out there from the Mardi Gras. All right, time to head back. We got about an hour and a half, but people are heading back already. Notice the difference in size. That's why I love that ship right there. A lot of people still like that ship, even though it don't have a whale tail. Hey guys, how you doing? La, 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 la. Oh. Just blew the horn. You better be back on. It is 3:30. Time to be back on board. right, babe, where are we going?
Not knowing where I've been, we almost missed our road.
We did. We had to run down
We
here.
did.
I was in the shower literally 5 minutes ago.
We said our table was ready, so here we are, and we're starving.
Yep. Chicken parm, baby. Yeah, sure. We just saw somebody that recognized us, but we had to go so fast we feel rude. What was her name? Vicky.
No, Emily. I'm sorry, it was Emily.
Emily from Georgia, Jacksonville. So, anyway, we're sorry we had to rush really quick, but we had to get here because we were already running late. Our table was going to expire. All right, we'll talk to you later. I'll bring it to you in a minute. Alright, first appetizer, Terry got minestrone and a salad. And I got the minestrone. Yum yum. Should have got two. Terry got spaghetti carbonara and I got noodles and chicken parmesan.
That's your sauce. Oh, thank you. He'd like to get another diet, and he'd like to get...
Terry got fried potatoes.
No, that's...
Crispy potatoes. Alright, I got the tiramisu. Terry got a donut that he made her take. And the tiramisu.
We should have shared.
We're gonna try that together. We're gonna see what it's like.
We should have shared.
Alright, where are we going, baby?
We're not going. We're here at the comedy club. Punchline.
You don't look really thrilled.
I'm not. I don't, you know, I've been feeling well. I'm going to eat dinner, so I'm going to enjoy the show.
We're gonna try. Good night. Good evening.
Hello. It's beautiful out tonight. It's really, really pretty out here. We're doing our closing video and just relaxing a little bit. We saw a couple of fans of our new party to cruising, which made us very happy. Thank you, Heather and Donnie.
Yep.
And again, Emily.
Yep. Anyway, so we had a nice day. Went to Jack Shack as you saw, and then we got back on the ship, sat by the pool for a while, and went to CUCINA del Capitano,
Was
as you
delicious.
saw, and very
Delicious.
filling. Still paying the
Yeah.
price for that one. So.
Yeah.
And we're gonna call it a night. No more chocolate martinis because the bars are
The
packed.
bars are
All of them.
packed.
Every single one we went to was packed.
And my stomach isn't up to it anyway, but
Nope.
we're going to say good night.
Cheers.
We got
With the ice cream.
So good night.
All right, we'll talk to you tomorrow. Tomorrow's our last sea day until we get back to Port Canaveral on a Saturday. Cheers. Good night.